Good morning, students. So it's been a long 2 week that we have started our online classes, and I must admit it that you and your parents are supporting us a lot in this new endeavor. But the teachers are getting some difficulties in maintaining the assignments that has been given to the students. It is very good that we are receiving your comments as well as the home assignments continuously on daily basis, but as the teachers are getting too much emails per day, so our mail IDs as well as the phone memories are getting blocked at certain points, which is giving us a lot of problems. And a few students are also getting it difficult to send the emails due to some network issues or some technical issues. So therefore, in this respect, we have come to a new solution that you don't have to send us the home assignments through the mail. Yes, but it is not like that you will not get the assignments. Yes, of course you will get the home assignments on a daily basis, but as soon as you got the assignments, your work is to note it down in your copies and do them on the same day. But you don't have to send it to the teachers, because the teachers are going to provide you the answers of a particular assignment that he or she has given on a particular day on the next day's video. So in this way, the students can match up the answers that has been given by the teachers, that whether they have done a correct homework or some of them had committed some mistakes. So in this way, the students will get to know about their mistakes and they can correct them also. And when the school will reopen, the teachers will evaluate all your home assignments. So now I am going to provide you the answers of the home assignments that I gave you since the day 1. So here comes the home assignments that I gave you on 20th April. So the question was like that: identify and write down the subjects and predicates in the following sentences. Number 1 is Meena is dancing. So here the subject is Meena and predicate is dancing. Then the hunter caught the lion. Here the subject is the hunter and the predicate is caught the lion. Next, the girl plays the piano. Here the subject is the girl and the predicate is plays the piano. Next, man is mortal. So here the subject is man and the predicate is mortal. Next, the sun rises in the east. Here the subject is the sun and the predicate is rises in the east. Next, my favorite color is red. So here the subject is my and predicate is favorite color is red. Then Mr. Saikia wrote a story about an Indian boy. So here subject is Mr. Saikia and predicate is wrote a story about an Indian boy. Then the green frog jumped over a log. Here the subject is the green frog and the predicate is jumped over a log. Next, Jeff is reading a fantastic novel. Here the subject is Jeff and the predicate is reading a fantastic novel. Next one, the horse appeared at the starting line. Subject is the horse and the predicate is appeared at the starting line. So here comes the end of the first day's assignments. Now let's proceed to the second day, that is 21st April. And your question is, arrange the following group of words and form sentences by using capital letters and full stops. So number 1 is the rises east in Sanda? And your answer is, the sun rises in the east. Next, school hour closed remains summer in. And your answer is, our school remains closed in summer. Next, cricket have I bet? And answer is, I have a cricket bat. Next one, friend my is Rohan best? The answer is Rohan is my best friend. Next one. Milkshake love I drink too. And your answer is I love to drink milkshake. Now let's proceed to the third day, that is 22nd April. And the home assignment is make sentences using the following group of words. A. Love fruits. And the sentence is I love to eat fresh fruits. B. The book is. The sentence will be the book is on the table. Next one, in the park. And the answer is children are playing in the park. Next one, the cat. And the answer is the cat is chasing a rat. Last one is my house. And the answer is I love to spend time sitting at the balcony of my house. The students, as this question is an open-ended question, so you can make some other sentences of your choices with this group of words. It is up to you. You can follow these sentences that I have just given, or you can write down your own sentences. So here with this, today I am ending today's class, and again in the next class I will provide the home assignments from day 4. Thank you so much.